Welcome to Buenos Aires. Anything to declare?
No.
Stop, sir. What is in your bag? Show me now.
Where is he from? Is he your pet?
I rescued him from an oil slick, and now he thinks he's my friend, but he's not my friend.
Why did you save his life?
I was trying to impress a woman I wanted to sleep with. Go and be free in the sea.
Welcome to St. George's School. Argentina's in chaos. The coup is imminent. Whatever opinions you have, keep them to yourself. And no smoking, no pets.
If you keep this between ourselves, I'll let you all feed him some fish. Deal? Yes, he's okay with that.
What is he doing here?
I have to take him to a zoo,
Why do you want to lock him up?
just obeying the rules.
And you always obey the rules.
What's your story? I find people so interesting, don't you?
No.
I used to be young and idealistic like you, but I lost something. And I was scared. Life changes you.
Then I look forward to being old and cynical.
What do you think?
Everyone is looking for something. What are you looking for?
I want to make a difference.
I had you as a head-down sort of fella. What happened to you?
I met a penguin.
You have a penguin in there?
A penguin?
A penguin.
Yes.